Fixing a flat tire with a repair string is fast, simple, and can get you back on the road in minutes.
Ansvar och svara på kritiken och samtidigt undvika en omröstning om Israels medverkan nästa år som skulle äga rum i mitten av december.
Before preparing the hole itself, take one of the sticky repair strings from your kit and thread it halfway through the eye of the insertion tool so both ends hang evenly. Keep it ready in your hand. You don't have to remove the wheel for this method, but you can if it makes the process easier. If the tire is extremely low or completely flat, give it a quick inflation first so it holds its shape. This makes finding the puncture and inserting the plug much easier. Start by locating the puncture. Roll the tire slowly and look for anything embedded in the rubber, usually a nail or screw. Once you spot it, pull it out with pliers. The air may leak faster now, so move quickly to the next part. Now it's time to prepare the puncture. Use the T-shaped reaming tool, the one with the rough, rasp-like rod, and push it into the hole. Work it in and out several times to clean and shape the opening for the plug. It'll be tight at first, which is normal. With the hole prepped, take your loaded insertion tool and push the repair string straight into the puncture. It will resist, but apply firm pressure until most of the string slides inside the tire. Then pull the tool straight out quickly. The plug should stay in place with just a small bit sticking out. Trim off the excess with a knife or cutters so it sits flush against the tire surface. Next, inflate the tire back to the recommended pressure using a pump or compressor. The correct pressure is usually listed on the driver's door frame or in the owner's manual. And that's all it takes. A simple repair string can seal most small punctures and get you safely back on the road. Just remember that this method only works for small tread punctures. Anything on the sidewall or a larger tear will require professional assistance. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Stay safe and keep rolling.